peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that
We choose peace.
will one day come true.
Hello everyone, my name is Rizali and today I have made a poster about peace. And we need peace to love, we need peace to be happy. The dark symbolizes peace. And then here, all the nations fall in the world. That is, every nation, every country should be in peace. And what is peace? Peace is not something you wish for. It is something you make, something we do, and something you do. We must have peace with each other. This land belongs to all of us. We live in harmony.
한국에서 기회를 주기 위해서 왔습니다.
This is about kindness, support, unity, and love. Peace is loving and caring.
We are honored to have you here.